Good morning, everyone. Everybody stay in home and everybody practice in your home because this subject is totally new subject for you. So, before 3 days, we are revise alphabets. 2 days we have to revise the alphabets, and with the help of alphabets, we have to make some words. Last day we are already discussed 1 to 10 numbers. Today we discuss 11 to 20. Okay, so you have to practice in your home whatever we discuss in the class. If you any problem, any doubt, just communicate the teacher app. I rectify your problem. But you have to practice in your home because this subject is total new subject in your division. So every day 10 to 15 minutes you have to practice. And with spelling you have to practice also because you have no oral, only for written. So you have to practice with spelling. So be alert and be careful. Most probably middle of the August or the second week of August we have take a test for 10 marks. See the notice board every day. For every day you have to practice in your home. Otherwise not understand properly. So at first put the date. Today's date is 30th August, 30th July 2020. Day is Thursday. Subject is French. Today topic the numbers. Okay. So you see the board. I write in the board. Today's date is 30th July 2020. Day is Thursday. Subject French. Today topic numbers. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15. So at first 11. You have to practice 1 to 10 in your home. Every day you have to practice. Okay. 11. O-N-Z-E. O-N-Z-E. O-N-O-Z-E. Onze. O-N-O-Z-E. Onze. D-O-U. O-U-U. So D-O-U do. Z-E does. O-N-O-Z-E. Onze. D-O-U do. Z-E douze. T-R-E-I-Z-E. Treze. T-R-E-I-A. T-R-E-I. Z-E. Treze. I again repeat T-R-E-I-Z-E. Treze. Q-U-A. T-O-R. Tor. Z is Q U A का T O R Tor Z is 14 T R E I tre Z is 13 D O U do Z is douze O N O Z is 11 15 Q U I N Z E I N A so Q U I N can Z is cans I repeat again I N A Q U I N can Z is cans 16 S E I Z E says S E I Z E says E E I A S E I says Z E says 17 18 19 is a formula 17 18 19 is a formula 10 plus 7 is a 17 we are already discussed last day 1 to 10 so 10 you have to memorize I think so 10 is this 7 is set S-E-P-T set 10 is this 7 is set this set 10 is this 8 is with this with 10 is this HUIT with this with 19 10 plus 9 DIX this NEUF NAF this NAF 10 is this NEUF NAF this NAF 20 20 is VAN VINGT VINGT INA VIN VAN GT VAN VIN GT is silent INA VIN VAN GT is silent VAN so 11 ONO Z is ONS 12 DOU do Z is do's 13 TREI tre Z is tres 14 QUA का TOR tor Z is 14 QUIN can Z is cans INA QUIN can Z is cans 16 EI ACI says Z is says 17 10 plus 7 this set 18 10 plus 8 this with 19 10 plus 9 this nap 20 van VINGT van so 11 to 20 today complete you have to practice in your home if you any problem any doubt just communicate the teacher app I rectify your problem but every day you practice 10 to 15 minutes in your home otherwise nothing to write and when you practice with spelling you have to practice okay write it today only for discuss 11 to 20 next day we discuss the days of the week next day we discuss the days of the week and some accent that is very important in your syllabus so last day we discussed 1 to 10 today we discuss 11 to 20 but this thing you have to practice with spelling in every day in 10 to 15 minutes only 10 minutes you have to practice but without practice you nothing to write because you have only for oral only for written no oral so when you practice with spelling you have to practice ONZE ons DOUZE those TREIZE threads QUATORZE 14 QUINZE cans SEIZE says 10 plus 7 this set 10 plus 8 this with 10 plus 9 this nap and 20 is the van okay so you have to practice in your home with spelling and written practice not only for the oral ONZE ons DOUZE do's TREIZE no you have to written practice, because I repeatedly told you you have a not a oral, only for the written. So you have to practice in your home every day 10 to 15 minutes. And today we have to most probably complete 1 to 20. Next day we discuss the days of the week and accent. Okay? So till then, bye bye.